Mini excavator hacks, time-saving tips and tricks. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be sharing some awesome mini excavator hacks that will save you time and make your work more efficient. Whether you're an owner, operator, or just someone involved in excavation, these tips will help you boost productivity and save both time and money. Let's dive in. Why efficiency matters. Time is money, especially in excavation work. The faster and more efficiently you can complete tasks, the more projects you can take on, which means more profit. But efficiency is not just about speed, it's about working smarter. Let's explore how these hacks can help you do just that. Who is this for? These tips are perfect for mini excavator owners, operators, and anyone in the excavation business. Whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned pro, there's something in here for you. Essential equipment hacks. Let's start with some essential equipment hacks that will make your excavator work harder for you. First up, buckets. Choosing the right bucket. Using the right bucket for the job can make a huge difference. Different tasks require different buckets. For example, a digging bucket for trenching, a clamshell bucket for lifting material, or a grading bucket for leveling. Choosing the right one will help you work faster and avoid unnecessary wear on your machine. Hydraulic control mastery. Next up, mastering your hydraulic controls. Smooth controlled movements are essential for efficiency. With a little practice, you can make precise adjustments to your excavator's arm, boom, and bucket to dig exactly how and where you want it, saving you time and effort. Maximize attachments. Attachments can expand your excavator's capabilities. You don't always need to hire additional equipment for every task. With the right attachment, like a breaker, auger, or grapple, you can take on a variety of tasks quickly and easily, saving time and reducing the need for multiple machines. Advanced operator tips. Now let's get into some advanced operator tips that will take your excavator game to the next level. Optimizing your excavator. Optimizing your machine settings is key. Adjusting the hydraulic response and boom speed will allow you to work faster without sacrificing control. Fine-tune these settings based on the type of work you're doing and the conditions you're working in to maximize efficiency. Terrain and soil awareness. Every job site is different, and the terrain and soil conditions can have a big impact on how efficiently you can dig. Soft soil, rocky terrain, and wet conditions all require different approaches. Know your environment and adapt your technique to get the best results. Preventing downtime. Preventing downtime is crucial for maintaining efficiency. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your excavator running smoothly. Checking the fluid levels, cleaning filters, and inspecting parts regularly will minimize breakdowns and ensure your machine is always ready for action. Work smarter. Efficiency is not just about moving faster, it's about working smarter. Plan your tasks ahead, organize your job site, and minimize unnecessary movements to avoid wasting time. Organize your work area. Keeping your work area organized and clutter-free will save you valuable time. This applies to everything from your tools to materials on the job site. The less you have to search for, the more time you can focus on the actual work. Adapting to job size. Adapting your approach based on the job size is important. For smaller jobs, you can get away with fewer adjustments, but larger projects may require more precision and careful planning to keep things efficient. Know your machine's limits. Every excavator has its limits. Understanding your machine's capacity and not pushing it beyond its limits will prevent costly damage and delays. Continuous skill development. Never underestimate the power of ongoing training. The more skilled you are at operating your mini excavator, the faster and more efficiently you can work. Constantly improving your skill set will save time and reduce errors. Never stop learning. Don't be afraid to try new techniques. Experimenting with different approaches on various tasks can lead to new discoveries that make your work more efficient. Key takeaways. To recap, use the right bucket, master your hydraulic controls, utilize attachments, optimize your machine settings, and maintain your excavator regularly. And don't forget, working smarter, not harder, is the key to long-term efficiency. Share your tips. Now it's your turn. Share your own mini excavator tips and tricks in the comments below. Let's help each other improve our efficiency and make the most of our machines. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content on mini excavator operation and best practices. We've got more tips coming your way soon, so stay tuned.